Hey everyone, big changes are coming to Oregon expungement laws thanks to SB 397. These changes will be effective January 1st, 2022. This video is just an overview of those big changes. Look for some additional videos on our website and YouTube channel that detail the more specific details of some of those changes, such as the timing requirements, the look-back period, and a video with some examples of the eligibility timeline if you're convicted of multiple crimes. All right, changes to expungement timing. So this law is going to change the timing to pretty much everything: the Class B felonies, the Class C felonies, Class B and C misdemeanors, violation and contempt of court. The only thing that really stays the same is going to be the timing on a Class A misdemeanor. The 10-year look-back period is also gone. That doesn't exist anymore. Instead, there's a new, more complex eligibility diagnosis based on the timing requirements of each different category of crime, category being B felony, C felony, etc. And like I said, we'll cover that in more detail later. The new law gives us immediate eligibility for dismissals and acquittals. The changes also make this to be without the prior restrictions, those prior restrictions being no arrests in the last 3 years and no convictions for the last 10 years. They've finally made the law to include more inclusive for no complaints. This is when the district attorney doesn't proceed on your case. You can now expunge those beginning 60 days after the no complaint rather than 1 year. Objections, what? This changes how the district attorney can object to your motion to set aside your conviction. Now they can only object based on an actual prior conviction, not a non-convicted conduct. The court can't consider any outstanding monetary obligations, doing away with the debtor prison element of having convictions on your record. Before, you had to have paid all your monetary obligations. Now they can only consider circumstances and behavior as it relates to the risk of public safety. Money, everyone's favorite topic. The fees are changing. There is no more $281 filing fee if you've been convicted. Before, there was no filing fee if your case was dismissed. Now nobody has to pay a filing fee. If you were convicted previously, you had to pay $80 to the state police. That's gone too now. So instead of that, OSP per the statute is to set a fee that doesn't exceed the actual cost of doing the background check, so we don't know what that will be yet. There's some more changes that don't matter to the non-attorney. There will be a statewide form and that kind of thing, but these are the major changes. Look for our follow-up videos with more details on the actual timing requirements and the actual nitty-gritty of these changes to determine whether or not you qualify. Thanks.